under the curse.
All right, YouTubes. We got a mini split going in for the kitchen back here. I kind of got the lines. They're gonna poke right through. The customer bought the equipment. He only has a 12-foot line set, so I got to work with what I got. I kind of got the indoor unit prepped. I got my first exploratory hole drilled. I got that laid out. Got super scored the studs right here on the inside because I got to mount an outdoor hang bracket for the outdoor unit. And we did some good exploring. There's nothing in the way. This is gonna be a layer of sheetrock, a layer of shear wall, and then the stucco on the outside to get through. All right, we moved all the tubs out of the way. My bracket, got my hole. Let me see if I can hang the indoor unit, get everything poking out. And then we'll carry this project on to the outside in the back of the building. There's the star of the show right here. Another aircon. I've had pretty good luck with these, and the support's been okay from the company out of Florida. As far as getting parts, hasn't been an issue. Just if you buy one of these, make sure you fill out the registration card and send it in, or you will get denied. So you got to register your equipment. All right. So I got my line set poked out, bent down. I'm gonna add to it. And the unit's gonna mount on the wall out here somewhere. We haven't determined yet where, but I wanna get it low as possible for service. Halfway there. Get some. All right, YouTubes. I had a call for a walk-in box that's iced up. Look, that's where they make Bilbo Baggins's beers for the little hobbits. Right in there. I got this unit out there. I got cold in here. Alright. Thermostat's over there. I'll check that. Alright, the box is at 34 degrees. Let's see what the thermostat's set at. Alright, the stat wasn't set too low. And I could hear the solenoid clicking. So I wonder if I have a solenoid that's bleeding by. Calling, off, calling, off. I'm gonna leave it in the off position for a minute. And restart the outdoor unit. And see if it runs or see if it'll pump down. Look at it. Got way too cold in here. Okay, it pumped right down. Now I gotta see, maybe that thermostat's out of calibration. Yeah, she pumped right down. Let's get old Yeller out here. Old timer. Let's do it. We'll see where that stat's at, calibration wise. All right, so I got my probe right on the thermostat probe. The box had been turned off because it had gotten too cold in here. So that's how these got all froze. But the air temp had warmed up because the customer had the box off. Now I'm just letting it settle in. 49.50, and then we can see where this kicks back in. Get it turned up. Let's see. That'd be 50 right there. Little Sunday morning iced up coilotitis going. Oh yeah. That one over there looks a little bit iced too. I had to make sure the fans on this one's working. I know the fan on this little guy died, so I'm trying to get that. Hey, get the ice off and then get that one replaced for sure. I got the shop vac for sucking up water. I got the nitro for blowing down the drains. The drains are always plugged on this one. They're so busy, dude. All the food gets down into the coils. All right, so I checked out the next door neighbor right here. It's toast too. So I got to get another blower for this one too, which I didn't see before, and I know that one had died. So I got the one. I got the blower for the little guy. I got to get it for the OTM 15D. Moving right along. All right, I got the heat gun out. I usually like to melt these with MAP gas and my plumber's torch, but I'm all out of MAP gas. And the reason I like to do that is the process goes faster. I found that it goes faster if I use MAP gas. But I'm all out, so I'm gonna use the heat gun. You can see it's melting. We're gonna make a big old water mess in here. That's why I got the shop vac out. And we're just gonna let her rip. Get the metal hot. It'll help melt the ice too. Oh, she's cooked up good. Look at that. The whole motor's like blown apart.
Got iced up coilotitis. Iced up coilotitis. Iced up coilotitis.
All right, there it is, the agony of defeat. Here's my dead one. It's a little 8. This is what they sent out. I got to get that corrected, and then I got to get another assembly for a 15. The agony of defeat. Urgh. Skadoosh. That's how it goes out there. If you're a young tech, you have to prepare your mind for this. You're going to get Murphy'd and hosed. It's just the way it goes. After you've done this for 36, 37 years, you just get used to it. And this becomes very normal. So just roll with it.